Hello, this is an instructional video for the Canon Rebel T2i. Today we are going to introduce the camera and teach you how to use the video function. First you have to turn the camera on using the switch on the top right of the body. Next to this switch is the mode dial. There are two main zones on the mode dial. The creative zone, which allows you to manually set the shutter speeds, aperture, and depth of field in your photo shooting. And the basic zone, which gives you fully automatic shooting for different types of subjects. The last function is the movie shooting option, which allows you to shoot video and what we will be going over today. Before shooting your movie, take off your lens cap. Turn the dial until the hash mark lines up with the tiny video camera logo. You will hear a click and the image will appear on the screen. You are now ready to shoot. Make sure you're holding the camera body in your right hand and the lens in your left. This gives you the most stability for shooting. On the lens, set the focus to autofocus and your stabilizer on. Find your subject and focus by pressing the shutter button down halfway. Now begin recording by pressing the tiny camera button to the right of the viewfinder. While recording, you can zoom in and out. To zoom in, twist the zoom ring to the left. To zoom out, twist to the right. Stop your recording by pressing the camera button down again. After you have shot your video, you can watch it by pressing the review button below the cross keys. On the screen, it will say Set in the top left corner. This is how you can tell your video recordings from your regular photos. Press the Set button in the center of the cross keys. Here, you can choose to play back normally, slow motion, by frames, or you can even edit the video right on your camera. You can adjust the playback volume by turning the main dial behind the shutter button. To delete your recording, simply press the trash can button. To download your video from the camera onto your laptop, turn the camera off. Then plug in the USB cord that came with the camera into the AV out port located on the left side of the body. The other end of this cord goes into the USB port on your computer. Turn the camera on after it has been plugged in. On your computer, click the Start menu. Then click Computer. Double-click the Canon icon, then double-click SD to access your SD card. Then click DCIM, and then 100 Canon. This will bring you to the videos you have recorded. Select the video and drag it to either the desktop or to another folder where you want to save the file. Now that the file is on your computer, it is ready for editing or for uploading to the internet to share with your friends and family.